Hello all, my name is Fatih Sharma and I have secured All India rank 17 in this year UPSC Civil Services Examination 2023. This was my third attempt and my optional was Political Science and International Relations. I have been part of Enlight IAS Mains Answer Writing Guided Program for my general studies as well as for my optional preparation. The course has been helpful in providing me with better presentation, structuring and some value addition that I could do to my answers. It also helped me in my daily answer writing practice that I could do before the real mains examination itself. I give my heartfelt gratitude to Enlight IAS for providing quality courses at such affordable rates. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aradhna Chauhan and I have secured All India rank 251 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2023. This was my fourth attempt and in this video I would like to thank Enlight IAS for the support that they provided me in this journey. Firstly, I was a part of their prelims test series which really helped me in maintaining my continuity through a schedule that they provided. Apart from that, it had really good questions. Apart from that, I was also a part of the interview guidance program through which I got the opportunity to interact one-on-one with an SDM, which really helped me in improving the bottlenecks in my interview preparation. So really grateful to the whole team of Enlight IAS. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Katyayani Singh. I have secured All India rank 592 in this year's Civil Service Examination. I am making this video to express my heartfelt gratitude to Enlight IAS team for their valuable contribution in my UPSC journey. I had taken their mentorship for the interview guidance and they had provided me good assessment of my detailed application form, which was very helpful in the final UPSC interview. Once again, big thanks to Enlight IAS team.